everyone, this is Dawn. I'm going to share with you what comes in the You Are Enough product bundle. And this is a special that starts May 1st. And so I bought the bundle with everything in it. So I'm going to share all of what comes in it. Okay, so I'm going to show you the papers first, and then I'll show you all the other goodies. Okay, so this paper has a coating of rose gold on it. Super pretty. I love this collection. And that's the flip side. And then I'll show you up close. This is the zip strip of butterflies. Okay. And then the next one. And this is also rose gold on those outlining the hexagons. And then the flip side. Wow, look at that. So pretty. And then the zip strip. So the colors in this collection are Ballerina, Bluebell, Glacier, Mulberry, that's a new color, Paprika, Peach, Raspberry, Sangria, Sapphire, and White Daisy. Okay, so this is kind of a watercolor wash. And then the flip side, wow, look at that. Look at that. Looks like agate, is that how you pronounce it, or like a paint pour. Super cool. And then the zip strip, all hexagons, gradated colors. And this one says motivated, capable, inspired, healthy, successful, brave, happy, I am strong, I am worthy. Very cool. All right, and then the flip side. Wow, and then the zip strip. Jewels on Glacier. So there will be workshops available to download and possibly on Facebook Live on the Close My Heart website, or on the Close My Heart corporate Facebook page. And we'll do projects with these. This one, and then there's another one, the same phrases as the other. Super cool. This is like a watercolor wash with splatters. So pretty. Ooh, look at that. Love it. And then the zip strip. Sapphire and Bluebell. So pretty. Okay, and then the coordinating cardstock. I think I have mine flipped over. I do. The coordinating cardstock. You get a sheet of cardstock that has the rose gold design on it. And then you get a sheet of the same color cardstock that's just the cardstock. Okay. So we get these two. These are dotted diamonds. Really pretty. And this one. Oh wow, look at that. Sapphire. Pretty. And Sangria. I hope the camera's picking up this really pretty rose gold. Ballerina and okay. All right, so that's the cardstock, and then the collection has stickers, and these are also some of them have rose gold details on them, and then some are just the matte cardstock colors. So love, create, dream, work, play, create, every moment, today shine, you are enough, believe. Super pretty. And butterfly. Nice. Okay. All right, and then the other coordinating goodies in this bundle. This one I'm so excited to work with. It's the layered butterflies thin cuts. So you get the large butterfly and then the next layer and then a detail layer. And then you get this size butterfly, the outline, and then a detailed layer. So there's going to be a lot of fun things to create with these. Love that. So pretty. Okay, and then these are sequins, and this is, if you've used our holographic papers, that's what these butterflies are made from. They're holographic, and they're self-adhesive butterflies. Super cool. And then, of course, there's a stamp set with coordinating thin cuts. You are beautiful, strong, enough, brave, wonderful. You shine. Thank you. You've got stamps of the butterfly, some jewels. Super cute. Okay. And the last thing that's in this collection are the Picture My Life cards. So these coordinate with a lot of the different elements that are part of with the stickers and the rest of the collection. No matter what, just begin. So they come in, landscape and portrait. You sparkle. Ooh, that's cool. Very cool. You have what it takes. Powerful, beautiful, brilliant, and brave. And then the larger ones that are 4x6. Watercolor washes. So pretty. I'm flipping through these pretty quickly, but oh wow, look at that. That is gorgeous. Journaling cards. Follow your heart. So pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And this purchase will qualify you for the stamp of the month. This is the May stamp of the month called Flowers for You. Super pretty images. Fun to color in with the tri-blend markers. It says, love, you inspire me. Just keep smiling just because everything. Happy birthday and thankful. Super pretty. So you can get this for $5. If you purchase this bundle, you'll qualify, or if you're a VIP, you'll get this for free. Okay. I appreciate you watching my video today. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.